Hello everyone, I'm Surabhi. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share a very personal part of my life with you. It's not homeschooling or nothing like that. It is part of my diary. So I'm a writer by nature. Vlogging started because it's take too much time to write, but I still write for my mental peace, my sanity, my personal thoughts. And today I felt I need to share. Why? Because social media is not being kind to people. It had not been kind to me, but I have learned to cope it. But still, think of it. Though how much truth I want to show in my videos and be very rough and raw and tell you that life is not perfect, or kids are not perfect, or homeschooling is not perfect, and I am also struggling as you, but somehow I feel as a person like it does put a pressure on you, because if my intention is to help, I also watch a lot of other homeschooling veteran moms whose intention is to help, but I do feel pressure. We live in a community, we have families, we have social medias, everyone has how much detox we have, and we do feel pressure at times. So I do go through it, this pressure, this whatever you say, this judgment, and so I just write. I have written something all these years, I keep appending into it, and I just thought I need to read it to you. Maybe, I mean, that's my effort again to help you if you feel something, if you're having a hard day, or the days you have hard day, just go back to it and write something for yourself and just read too. So I just read to you what I read to myself, what I write, and how I make sure that I keep homeschooling them week by week, month by month, because this journey is not easy. So bear with me, no judgment please. Just I wanted to read to you because I thought it is my way of still being in social media and be honest about social media for you. So let's start from here, that I am enough. This is what is the title of my page. I'm enough. I am enough for my family, even if I'm not a perfect chef who can prepare all the homemade healthy meals. Even if I'm not a perfectly calm homeschool teacher who can resolve all the sibling conflicts with peaceful solution. I'm enough if I'm not a very well-learned teacher when it comes to hands-on experiment-based learning, because most of my physics experiments still don't work. I'm enough even if I fail to create the beautiful chalk drawings that I saw on the Waldorf curriculum fair. I'm just enough. I am the best mother my kids can have, because I am the one who is chosen by God to protect and to nurture and love these kids. I am the one who had undergone unbearable pain to deliver these two in the hospital. I am the one who has cried all night while they were sick in hospital. I am the one who will give my life to protect them without any questions asked. No one in this world will love them as much I do, because they are mine and they entirely belong to me. My kids are not perfect, but not am I. But I'm a privileged woman, because not all are blessed with even imperfect kids. I'm privileged wife, because my husband trusts me blindly with anything and everything. I'm a privileged child, because my parents support me in all my decisions, even if they don't agree with it. I have a life filled with imperfect husband, imperfect kids, and also not a perfect myself. But I am still blessed because I have them, and not everyone is blessed enough to have them too. My kids are His children through me. I have been trusted by God to shepherd these little ones, to love, to care, and to protect while they are on earth with us. He is watching over them. He would guide us to lead them to the destiny that has been written for them. I'm actually powerless because He is in control. He is the most powerful, and that feeling, that thinking that He is the most powerful gives me the freedom, because now all I have to do is just love them from my heart. I'm enough to nurture them with all the love I have. I'm just enough. And that's what is I written. And one thing I have written it down is that if you already knew it, that you are enough, but you are not feeling it that you are enough today, then choose to rest rather than break down and give up. So this is my mantra for homeschooling, for my burnout days, the days where I feel like very disappointed with myself or with everything around, that I choose to rest, I choose to break. I'm not going to give up. and I know that I can do it, and I will do it till I'm able to. So that's what I wanted to share with you. Thank you so much for watching. See you later. Bye bye.